So I will open that. This is the location for dataset, and I'm going to use CPU cores for the simulation, number of processors 2. And let's just click on submit. All right, so let's wait. So computation ongoing there. You see, very interesting. So you have the step, time in days, time step, FGPT, FGPR, FWPT, FWPR, and so on and so forth. So there, if you're familiar with Eclipse, I'm sure you can understand what these parameters are, but of course we can talk about it later. So we have reached 792 days. FWPR, FGIT, FGIR. So they are Eclipse output. If you're interested, you can go to the Opengosim to know what these parameters are. Or if you're more familiar with Eclipse, you can check the Eclipse tutorial or the Eclipse keyword to know what those parameters are. All right, so we will wait for the computation to be finished. Still ongoing there. You can also check. This is the some keywords, the diamonds, equals, multiply, and so on and so forth. All right. Let's still wait. Yeah, you can go to the Opengosim. They have, keywords, vocabulary there. So yeah, still waiting, still waiting. It's quite, 250 days, 500 days. Hopefully the computation is not too long. Okay, so this is the folder in which I store the data deck for the Opengosim and also the result. We can see here CCS underscore LT to see what happens inside there. And let's see, final time, 5,000. It's quite long. Right. Show to storage cross-section long-term effects. So we can get this template, this example case from Opengosim. I'm not going to detail in this specific video. I'm just going to show you what this data deck